Coast News Weather Team, sponsored by AC Designs.
All right, folks, you mind if we talk science at 7:41 a.m. on a Sunday? Why not? It's a Sunday morning. We're relaxing a little bit, enjoying the warm cup of coffee this morning. Salute, my friends. Good morning. Thank you for joining us on GMJ on a Sunday morning. Best day of the week. And I think it's going to have the best weather of the week. We're going to really limit rain chances today, so that's some good stuff, but the heat is on. Now, before we talk about the heat, again, I want to talk about some science. There has been a lot of discussion, seen a lot of photos around of the Comet NEOWISE, and we've seen some great photos come in locally here from some of our friends in the First Coast Weather Watchers page on Facebook, sharing some great photos. Open up the exposure on the lenses to get the nice nighttime look photos. Look at this. So this is from Chuck Hilliard over in Fort George Inlet, looking to the northeast in the northeast sky. You see this comet here that has been racing by Earth, Mother Earth. Now, comet is different than a meteor or an asteroid because that's just a rock. A comet has a little gas to it. It has ice crystals in it, so it creates this streak of debris as it flies through space. But what's also really cool about this photo, not only a comet, right? But see this, I mean, this perfect setup right here of these stars right here. Those aren't stars. Those 7 dots are the Starlink satellites, which are the ones that SpaceX and Elon Musk send up and are linking up to orbit around Earth to better communication. So that's really cool stuff. You have 2 things right there. It's super cool. Now, the comet is visible over the next couple of days, but it kind of was the closest it would be to Earth Friday morning. So each day progressing, that was yesterday morning. So each day, pretty much until the 15th or the next 3 days, the comet's going to get a little bit further away from Earth. Unfortunately, because of our part of the world, it's not really visible with the naked eye. So if you're going out, a lot of folks getting out to go for that sunrise walk on the beach or just getting out early, you're not going to be able to see it if you're looking to the northeast sky with your naked eye. But if you have that camera and you want to how to open up the exposure and maybe experiment a little bit to take that photo, you could get a glimpse of it. If you want to give that a shot, again, best viewing is to the northeast, in the northeast sky between about 5 and 5:30 a.m. I'm going to try and get out there tomorrow morning to give it a shot, and also just get out early enough to get that run in before the heat turns on. Not just us here locally. We're of course dealing with the dog days of summer, but a lot of folks up and down the Mississippi River in the south and east of the Mississippi dealing with heat. I was on the phone with Mama Kath yesterday. She's like, oh man, it's so hot out up in Jersey. She's like, it's way too hot. A lot of folks dealing with the heat, not just today, not just tomorrow, but through at least Tuesday and Wednesday for us. Okay, and as I say that, I show you a map that has a cold front on it. And you're like, dude, what? Let me take my glasses off. What is this guy talking about? Really? All right, there is a cold front nearby. And I just say that relatively because it's the boundary between some really, really humid air and then some not so humid air. So just enough of dry air that is filtering in up in the upper levels of the atmosphere to really just limit rain chances today. So that just means more sunshine. More sunshine means more heat. Those temperatures anywhere you go in the upper 90s today, feeling well over 105 degrees.